Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Our today's topic is digraphs. Expected learning outcome. The student is expected to identify the sounds of digraphs. Sounds of digraphs, what are they? Look over here. CH makes a sound ch. SH makes a sound sh. TH makes a sound d. WH PH f. Now look at these images. Whale, chin, phone, thumb, dolphin, ship, sheep, bench. These are digraphs words. So you have to memorize all these words. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.